Hi, I'm Keep. This is my next big project. This is Galactus from Niko Industries. And I'm going to show you how I size my helmets. It's a little different than what other people do, but it's something that works for me and it might work for you too. It's using a free program known as Blender. So let's get into it then. So this is Blender. Blender is a very powerful graphics program for 3D modeling. I like to use it for sizing helmets. So I'll import the model in, and then I have a 3D model of my head with the proper dimensions. I have a big head. I'll import that in, and then I'll resize the head or armor pieces to fit. And you can resize them in here by clicking on the item option in the near the upper right hand side, and then changing the scale factor, and you'll see that a little later on in the video. But once I have it scaled, I'll do Alt B to create a section view, and this lets me look inside of the model. Lets me look for clearances of, you know, how close is the bridge of my nose going to be to the front of the mask, how close is the base of the skull to the back, how close is the top of the head to the top of the helmet. Keep in mind when you do this, you want to have clearances for your ears, for your whole head actually, but you also want to remember that more likely you're going to have padding in there, so you want to make sure you leave a little room for the padding. If you're doing like a stormtrooper helmet or anything like that, you want to make sure you keep room for any type of electronics you want in there, battery packs, cooling fans, voice boxes, any of that. And here I'm creating the section view to look to see if the ears and temples will pass. And those, it looks a little snug, but I kind of want this helmet to be snug. Yeah, right there, showing you that's how I size it in Blender. Now I won't export it because that could create some issues. It does specifically for this helmet anyway. What I'll do is I will take those sizes, and that's what I will resize the pieces to in my slicer, you know, Bamboo Studios or Corelli Print, and I'll just do it there, and then that's how I size them. And yeah, I hope you liked it. Just remember to like, follow, or subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.